Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today, on this video, let's go to have a live trading session explanation 2 with this turbo strategy for binary options. Another good trading session, but today let's go to put and test this strategy. Let's go to see if it is really writable or not. Let's go to request my withdrawal and start generate profits with this turbo strategy for pocket option. Let's roll with this video. So what's up, traders, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today let's go to have this live trading session with the broker and the turbo strategy for binary options. This one you can look right here. So first thing we need to do is request my withdrawal. So let's do it. So let's go to finance and let's go to request my withdrawal Bitcoin, and I have amount on mine here before to going home. The process to request my withdrawal is only select my method to pay out. In this case, all my cases here with this broker gonna be using Bitcoin, put my address and send the request withdrawal for this broker for binary options. So I send the request withdrawal. Let's go to wait. Why I request almost all my money? Because in the next week you're gonna see a few interesting things on my social media here on YouTube too, where I gonna recording my next trading sessions using this strategies for binary options in Forex. We have a great community with the BLW signals group. I send in signals for binary options. I invite you to follow me on there. So having this account request after to request my withdrawal right now, let's go to have a good live and I hope so lovely trading session with this broker for binary options. But let's go to explain how it's gonna work this strategy right now. Well, I'm gonna using two indicators only, and I'm gonna using a stochastic oscillator and one moving average period 20 exponential moving average. The strategy is so simple, so let's go to explain. And the moment the crossing, you see these two moving average inside or my stochastic oscillator going down, and it's above of the period 80. Doesn't look. But here is the period 80. Here, you look at it, 80. Crossing and going down. And we have too my exponential moving average and crossing and going down too. So I'm going to trade for a put. This is a good signal to trade for a put for 3 minutes. Let's go to see my live last signals that I take it. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the morning with this turbo strategy for binary options. So today with this light account, let's go to have another good trading session. On this case, my moving average inside or my stochastic oscillator start going up. So to take in these signals for a call, we are gonna wait for this type of scenario. The chart needs to be below of the 20 moving average, exponential moving average. So we are gonna trade for a call for 3 minutes in the moment the crossing and crossing here too. Crossing my moving average period 20 and crossing to my inside of stochastic oscillator moving average going up. So we are gonna trade for 3 minutes. This strategy is so simple, guys. So simple. Why I have here history. Let's go check it out. Okay, thank you. And let's go to trade. So this is the scenario, the type of scenario I like to find with this strategy for binary options, and have a better idea when it's gonna be the good moment to trade. Well, it's gonna be so much better if you trade only follow the trend. So let's go to find a good scenario for us, and let's go to trade for a good moment to take it the signal. Let's go to trade and see how much money we can make with our 100% of balance trading with this turbo strategy for binary options. And I hope so today we can generate profits with this true strategy. So I'm gonna leave it with this video, with this live trading session, with this broker pocket option. This strategy I'm testing it with pocket option. Well, I'm gonna make another videos with FOREX, maybe with IQ, with this strategy for binary options. This is a lovely strategy, simple to understand and simple to follow the steps. And I decided creating a strategy will have more time to trade, because the 1 minute strategy sometimes many of you lose the opportunity to enter or take the signal. So I decided creating this strategy for 3 minutes, and let's go to see how ended today my live trading session with this strategy. I will back in a few minutes. So, guys, what do you think about this strategy? This strategy is survivable. This strategy is true, but only if you follow the simple steps that I share with you on this channel. I believe start and generate profits with $100. If you only have $65, generates $100 per day. You can earn it end of the day with $2,500. It's a good amount. Obviously, we can increase more our balance with this trading strategy for binary options. And obviously, too, I trade with 100% on my balance with this true strategy for binary options. But it's possible to generate profits. Yes, it's possible. It's possible to earn money every day with binary options. Yes, it's possible. But never make overtrade. Never. Stop in a good moment and generate profits. Control your emotions, and you're gonna start generate profit with binary options. Trust me. So I hope this video liked it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.